Come in. Well, look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And I want to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. I have with me today my grandson Lucas. I think many of you that follow me know Lucas, right?
Yeah.
Lucas has appeared in many of my videos. So he's going to be in this one today.
A lot of them.
Yeah. Now Lucas, what are we not doing today?
We're not baking.
Right.
No.
Okay, no baking today. Today we're going to do something a little different, and I'm going to tell you why. I have been searching everywhere for something that says Baking Diva on it, right, Lucas?
Yeah.
And it's just nothing, nowhere to be found. What's the only thing I could find, Lucas, that says what?
Baking Queen.
Right, Baking Queen. Now, I know there's a lot of divas out there, and I know there's a lot of baking divas out there, so
Yeah.
I figured, right, if I can't find something that says Baking Diva, what am I going to do, Lucas?
Make your own design.
Make my own design.
With a cupcake.
Exactly. So what I did is I took a pad and I started sketching. And I thought, I want to do something fun. I don't want to do something serious, right? So what I thought of is, what if I do a cupcake? I could do a cupcake, right?
A donut?
No, I thought if I would do a cupcake, then I got carried away and I said, ooh, you know those girl shirts they sell with big eyelashes over here? So I put eyelashes on the cupcake and big sexy red lips, right, Lucas?
Grandma, but you could make the donut and then
Yeah, I know.
put the eyelashes on
Well, now I
in
thought
the front.
Yeah, the cupcake looked cuter, and then I said, "Oh, we have to have pink icing on our cupcake." And then what did we really have to have on the cupcake?
A crown.
A crown, because every diva has a crown. So I sketched it out, and my son Scott, who's a computer expert, this is what he does for a living. He works with computers and he runs a department. I asked him if he could help me put it together, and he did. And what did we come up with? Let's show them, Lucas. Hold it up.
Grandma, do you have a crown?
Of course, I have many crowns.
Really?
Let's hold it up. Hold it still so the cameraman can see it. So on one side, you'll see Lucas has a mug with this adorable cupcake on it. And then on mine, it says on the other side of the mug, "Don't leave home without your crown." Now, you might say, like Lucas said to me, "Grandma, do you have a crown?" Well, I will tell you, I do. But everybody should have an invisible crown, right? Yes, invisible crown. Oh, everybody has an invisible crown. So what I did is I had mugs made with my design, and I'm very proud of it. And then I had some shirts made. Now Lucas, because he's in my videos a lot, he wanted a shirt. Stand up, Lucas. Show him your shirt. He wanted blue. That was his request. And it's got my cupcake on it, and it says Baking Diva. That's right. So it comes in youth sizes. He's going to be 7 in January, and I got him a youth small. Fits him pretty well, right? Yeah. He's got room to grow into it.
It might be short.
That's okay.
No.
And then I got myself, they call these slouchy shirts. They're super, super soft, and they're slouchy. They do run big, and I put the logo on there. And these are the kind that you can wear like off the shoulder. You can wear a tank under them. And I also do have regular t-shirts on there. So I thought, well, what better time to put this on my channel now with Christmas coming up, right? Imagine the baker in your life giving her one of these mugs and then wrapping it and putting it under the tree. That would certainly put a big smile on her face, I think. And, well, you don't have to give her just the mug. You can, if she's a tea lover, give her the mug with maybe a box of tea bags.
Inside it.
Yeah, excuse my bird, Pee-wee. She's screeching back there. I'm sorry. I tried to cover her, but she hears us talking and she wants to be in the video too, but she can't.
She has been in one video.
Yeah, she was in one video.
And
Or
Squeaky Bird.
if it's a coffee drinker, give the person a box of maybe bag of coffee or a box of K-Cups with the mug. But Lucas and I are going to show you something today that I did. Right, Lucas? Trader Joe's is near my house, and it's one of my favorite stores. So I was in there recently, and they had these in a big basket. And they were $1, I think.
Sure.
Yeah, and they say on them, double chocolate, hot cocoa, stirring spoon with mini marshmallows.
It kind of looks like a fork from like...
Now, when you take it out of the bag, it looks like this. And it's got light chocolate, dark chocolate,
Marshmallows.
little mini marshmallows,
With
and
a
it's
spoon.
attached to a spoon. Now, the directions say, put hot milk in a cup.
Hot milk.
Right. Has to be hot, right?
Or else, how are you going to make hot cocoa? It should be cold cocoa.
That's right, it won't melt. Oh, and that reminds me, Lucas, or anybody out there, do you know that there's a difference between hot chocolate and hot cocoa?
Yes.
Do you know, Lucas?
Hot cocoa.
Because Lucas bakes with me a lot, and he's a fast learner. So, Lucas, let's get this right.
Hot-
What is hot cocoa?
It has, what's it called? A packet.
Right, it's a powder, right?
Yeah.
And you mix your powder in there. It could be in a packet or a jar, and you stir it. But what is hot chocolate?
No packet.
What is in hot chocolate?
What?
Chocolate is in hot chocolate.
That's weird.
A lot of people
Hot
just say hot
chocolate.
cocoa or
Chocolate.
they say hot chocolate, but there is a difference. And so anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this spoon and hand it over to Lucas. I'm going to go over to the stove now, and I'm going to get the hot milk for Lucas's cup.
It's cracked.
And I'm going to take his cup. Oh, that's okay. I was going to take his cup and put the hot milk in there, and then Lucas is going to start stirring. And after he stirs for a while, I'm going to let you see him stir for a minute or so. And then after that, we'll be back and we'll get Lucas's opinion on how the hot chocolate tastes. So let me go get your... Alrighty, I just filled Lucas's cup up with hot milk. Now Lucas, show them. You're going to take your spoon with the chocolate and the marshmallows attached, and you're going to put it in your milk and just start stirring it in there. And it will eventually start to melt and make the most delicious hot cocoa. I'm telling you, right, Lucas? Didn't this smell good? They have dark chocolate on the bottom. Leave it to Trader Joe's with a milk chocolate on top and the spoons. Now, I've been molding chocolate since my own children were little. I got on the bandwagon with that before it was even really popular. I had my own little business called Chocoholics Anonymous, and I used to go all around to home parties, to PTAs, to libraries and everything, and I would demonstrate for them, the people, how to mold and make their chocolate, and then I wouldn't sell them the chocolate, I would sell them the supplies, the molds and the melting candy. Oh, look at that. So I can make these myself. You can use an ice cube tray, and you can pour your melted chocolate in there, put your marshmallows in the spoon.
It's like half melted.
Keep it in, but honestly, for $1, these are well worth it. And in the package, they make a really cute stocking stuffer or a gift.
They
so while
definitely
Lucas,
work.
yeah. So while Lucas, oh look at Lucas, how's it going? Oh, look at that. Looks good. Keep it in the milk. So all right, while Lucas is stirring, I will tell you that I'm going to put the link on how to order these items in my description box below. You just have to click on, and it will take you to a site, and you'll see order items. You just click on that, and you can pick the mugs or the t-shirts or whatever. They take probably a week to 10 days, and they'll be shipped directly to your home. The prices are on there. I think these are $12.99. I think the shipping is, keep it in. Oh, look at that, $3.99. I think if you order more than one, the shipping price goes down. So anyway, we'll be back in a second as soon as Lucas finishes playing with his chocolate spoon and he does a taste testing, okay? So stay tuned. All right, so Lucas has been stirring now. So what happened, Lucas?
The marshmallows
What happened?
and the chocolate broke.
It melted, right? And what happened to the marshmallows?
They float to the top.
They float to the top. You should have seen him when he was staring it. He was so excited. He's like, oh, look, the marshmallows came off. Oh, they're floating to the top, right? So you want to do a little taste test for everybody and let us know what you think? It's hot, so maybe you can use your spoon. Give it a taste. Tell us what you think. Okay, I guess it's good, right? Smile on his face. All right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make a comment. Don't forget to go down below and hit that red subscribe. It'll turn gray, and you'll be a subscriber. That's all there is to it. It's free, and if you hit the little bell next to it, right? Ring that bell, Lucas.
You can see all her new videos.
Right, well, and also they'll give you a notice every time I have a new video up, right? So did we have fun doing this, Lucas? So
lot
remember,
of fun.
Christmas is coming.
Cheers.
Buy your favorite Baking Diva one of these mugs. She'll
Cheers.
love you for it. Cheers. Ready, Lucas? Cheers. Toodles, everyone.